Hold on, Kev, you dragging it, you dragging it.
How's it going, YouTube? Currently waiting on Jonathan, so we're kind of in the middle of loading up the truck. We are headed to an ATV park about 45 minutes north of here. I got a fresh 5 gallons in the back. Already fueled up both the ATVs last night, so one less thing we had to do this morning. Still got to load up the cooler. I got to throw some waters and stuff in there. And one thing, got this cool little Blackstone 2-burner griddle at Walmart yesterday for Black Friday. I got like a little cooking kit as well. We're gonna go ahead and pick up some hot dogs and cheeseburgers and stuff on the way and grill out for lunch. If you guys are curious on the other Arctic Cat, everything's going pretty well. We already got the new starter and new fuel filter, new fuel line, as you guys can see, a little sneak peek for the next video. But this is actually coming along pretty well, so I'm excited to show you guys that. Yeah, gonna go ahead and kind of finish up loading while we wait on Jonathan, and then we'll hit the road. Alright guys, pulling up to the ATV park now. We got Caleb in front with a Can-Am, we got Storm right behind him with the Benchy Path Cross, and then we're in tow with the Arctic Cat and the Honda. Got all the 4-wheelers unloaded, the Honda, Arctic Cat, got the Benchy Pathfinder, got Caleb's Can-Am. You guys probably haven't even seen this on his channel yet. We haven't uploaded too much on it at all. They're gonna get some riding footage today. Not too much mudding, just kind of with the family today, and we got the kids and everything with us. So it's a nice chill day of just riding some trails, and yeah, let's go have some fun. We're coming up on first obstacle that Caleb might not be able to hit. The tree fell, and he's just a little bit too tight. Oh, gotta come forward a little bit.
Hey, go ahead again, scooch all the way this way and then back up. There you go.
There you go.
Get Chris to make it happen. There you go.
The fender stuck. We weren't recording because this spot didn't look too hard, but it just sank. I mean, the fenders are so heavy, it just sank straight down. So now we're hoping that the path cross is able to pull it out, which looks good. But that front passenger wheel is just cockeyed. Can't really tell right now, but once we get it out. Anchor down the path cross to the tree. I'm gonna try to winch it that way. You know, the fenders are so heavy and the suction cup down, it was just pulling the path cross. So now we've anchored it down. We're gonna give it another shot.
No tension on it. Okay.
Yeah, pull forward a little bit.
All right, you got tension.
Hold up. All right.
Ready?
Ready, yeah.
You're moving. It's moving. You're definitely moving.
Hey, Jonathan, jump in the back. Jump in the back of this thing. I ain't got no weight back there. If I had weight back there, it'd come out. You ready?
Yeah.
He's got a 4,500-pound winch.
Is it the axle or what?
It's the steering arm.
That's not as expensive, right?
Stand that motherfucker. Yeah, look at this side. It's just straight as an arrow. That side's bent as hell.
Are you turning or is it turning? She's trying.
Yeah, but that was maxed out. That one ain't turned off. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, I mean, it turns. It's just going the wrong way.
Hold on, Kev, you dragging it. You dragging it. You dragging it.
As far as I can go. I'm just stuck in this. Oh, yeah. Son, this mud down here is no joke.
It's pretty thick.
All right, we're straight.
All right, come close.
Yeah.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Forward.
How far do you go forward, Caleb?
Right here. All right.
Alright guys, just got done loading up the ATVs, had a great day. Unfortunately, Caleb, as you've seen, broke something. I think it was a tie rod or something on the steering wise that's messed up. We'll get it back and get it checked out. As for the Arctic Cat, we definitely were losing brakes. Water bottle is still here, luckily. Brake fluid, as you can see, is a little low, so we gotta do that. I was leaking also a little bit of gas out of the carburetor earlier, so I gotta look at that when we get back. As for the Honda, I think just air in the tires pretty much. What else? That was pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm about to say for a two-wheel drive.
Getting stuck that one time.
Yeah.
Didn't look like it was gonna be
I
deep.
think if you were prepared for it, you would have hit it differently. But you weren't prepared. Sorry, I wasn't even looking at your face. I think if you were prepared for that hole, it would have been fine. But since you weren't prepared for it, it kind of took you by surprise. Besides that, the Honda did great for being a two-wheel drive, 300. We didn't get into anything too crazy. There's more trails here than anything. As for the path cross, did great.
I didn't see nothing it couldn't do that I seen.
No, it did awesome. We're definitely gonna come back out here again. But as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys enjoyed the ATV content, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks.